YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today I'm going to show you the new all-in-one Pavilion PC from HP. This was announced this year at CES, and HP sent it along my way, and they want me to tell you about all the cool features and how I was using it for my time. And a big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. Computers are in a weird spot right now, and they can be a little confusing. Previously, you needed a desktop, a good monitor, a speaker set, and peripherals like a mouse and keyboard just to have a basic setup. And then laptops came around, and then tablets became more powerful and people started using that. So HP is looking to reinvent the desktop once again, and this is their all new HP Pavilion 27-inch PC. It's a powerful all-in-one computer built for entertainment and productivity. This particular model features a Quad HD touch display, an Intel Core i7-8700T with 6 cores, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and an SSD drive. Do be aware that HP has several different models for any budget, so the specs will vary depending on which one you purchase. And they all come at different price points, but even the cheapest ones feature a powerful Intel processor. The most expensive ones feature a dedicated graphics card for gaming. And all these come with the latest version of Windows 10, and depending on what you do and how you interact with it, your experience will be a little bit different. So, for example, I can see this being used by a family, multiple people in the house, they all have their own profile, and something that you can have a centralized area for a computer, and just an interactive computer. So if you're like doing Photoshop or you're using Paint, you can use your fingers to interact with it. A great way for learning tools and learning games. Or that professional that wants to have some type of touch input, you can do that with this screen, and it's beefy enough for the video editing and for any type of graphic design that way. As you can see here, I'm using Adobe Premiere. It's working great on there, and I'm editing 4K content shot from a Red camera. As far as ports go, it has 2 USB-C ports, 3 USB-A ports, 2 HDMI ports, and even an SD card reader. It has all the ports you need, and it's actually nice that you can hook up multiple displays to this too. So if you want to have a 3-monitor setup, it has the ability for that. HP included a pop-up privacy camera that sits behind the top of the display. This allows the bezels to be so thin while giving you the privacy of blocking the camera when it's not in use. When you need to make a video call or use the camera, you can just pop it up with your hand and you're good to go. Another nice feature that's baked into Windows 10 is that it can recognize your face and log you into the profile based off this, and you can use the pop-up privacy camera for that. You can pop the camera up, look at the camera, and it unlocks and gets you into Windows. The design of the HP Pavilion 27-inch features a modern frame with fabric accents, and it's truly a stunning design that works well with any setups. The bezels are so thin, it doesn't look like an all-in-one PC, it looks like a monitor, and that's a big shout out to HP and their ingenuity of building this. The aluminum stand is durable and it's fully adjustable, allowing you to tilt the monitor up and down to your liking. Now, the best thing about this all-in-one PC is that they simplify your setup. Now, this model features a dual front-facing speakers setup custom tuned by B&O Play, and it comes with a mouse and keyboard. HP gives everything you need to have a proper desktop setup in this all-in-one PC. It's literally take it out the box, plug it in, and press power. HP's focus on performance and the commitment to streamlining the desktop process could be a winner for a lot of people. You don't have to think about the monitor, you don't have to think about speakers or fishing for a mouse and keyboard, it's just right there. Whether it's consuming content or getting things done, the HP Pavilion 27 makes your task easier. It's an immersive 27-inch touch display, it's sharp, it's large enough to see your programs, and the relevant specs will last many years. If you're looking for a PC that brings aesthetics to your desk while being simple and powerful, this is a PC you should definitely check out. My name is Kevin the Tech Ninja. If you like this type of video, hit like and also subscribe and tap that bell notification icon to be notified when I make a brand new video. Have a great day. Peace out.